Hello there. So, as you know, we are not just purely physical beings. We are a mixture of human and divine. So, this video is going to help you unlock that higher divine potential in you. And this is going to be your first exciting step by learning to sense your energy. And by the way, this energy sensing technique is a good predictor of how you are going to do this day. So, for example, your level of energy predicts how efficient you're going to be in your tasks, how easy it's going to be for you to concentrate, and how other people are going to respond to you. Because a rule of thumb is that when two people meet, they subconsciously scan each other's level of energy. And so the person with a higher level of energy automatically is acknowledged as a leader by the other party. And so, as you can imagine, if your level of energy is greater than other people in the room, they are going to automatically assume that you are a leader and trust you more, which also means that you're going to be a lot more successful in your negotiations. With the opposite sex, it works likewise because women are subconsciously attracted to guys with a higher level of energy for obvious reasons. So first, we're going to find out where you stand on the level of energy, and then I'm going to tell you what to do to bring your energy level up if you're not fully satisfied with it. So let's begin. So the exercise itself is super simple. You rub your hands together like this to activate energy flow, then separate your hands wide, a lot wider than this, by the way. I just don't want to go outside the frame. So you separate your hands like this, close your eyes, and start bringing your hands together ever so slowly, like this, focusing on the sensation in between your palms or in your palms. And don't expect anything specific, but at one point, you will feel something. And most people feel it like a half-inflated balloon in between their hands, like a bouncy barrier, a bouncy kind of feeling. And that bouncy feeling means that this is where the border of your aura is. And obviously, the wider the distance at which you can sense that, the greater is your auric field, aka your energy level is greater. And so if your energy level is like this, and you wake up, you assess in the morning, you're like, yeah, a low energy day, and you don't want to push yourself because, you know, sometimes we need rest and it's fine. So if you don't want to push yourself, schedule things, important things and meetings to some other time. Just avoid them because you know it's going to be a slow day and your concentration is going to be lower because concentration requires a lot of energy. And so if you don't have enough supply, your brain, your mind is just not going to let you use a lot of it. So the greater is your level of energy, the wider apart your hands are going to meet this bouncy barrier. And by the way, if you don't sense it on the first try, it's fine. Most people do, but some people don't. Just try again until you get it. We all have this ability. But let's say today is an important day. You wake up in the morning, you check your aura level, you find out it's unsatisfactory, you want to raise it up. One of the easiest ways of doing it is the Tejas exercise. Tejas is a Sanskrit word for inner power. And it allows you to bring your energy level really quickly. This is how you do it. It's a form of a meditation, but it's an active meditation. So sit down, relax your body, use the full body relaxation technique. This is what I recommend to my students, but you can use any technique you personally like. So relax your body, make sure that your brain waves are in the alpha state. So you need the alpha brain waves for this. It means that they're slow, they're relaxed, they're focused on your feeling rather than thinking. So, once in the alpha brainwaves, with your eyes closed, imagine that the entire universe, the entire world around you, is an infinite field of golden energy, just an infinite ocean, and you are submersed in it. And give yourself a few moments to experience that fully. Now, with that awareness, imagine that your body is a hollow vessel. So as you breathe in into that emptiness, you breathe in that golden energy from the universe and store it inside. So you breathe in, you pull the energy in through your nose and also through your skin, because we also breathe with our skin. So pull the energy in, and as you exhale, store it inside for 3 breaths. Now, another 3 breaths is when you breathe in, but instead of storing it inside, you radiate that energy like a lamp. And by the way, if you feel that the 3 initial breaths are not enough, you can make them 4. So it can be a maximum of 7 in total. Please do not go beyond this. So to recap, you take 6 to 7 deep breaths where you pull the energy into yourself from the universe, store it inside for phase 1, and for phase 2, you radiate it like a lamp and try to make that radiance as big as you like. And then check your auric state again. And if you did it correctly, you will notice that the limits of your auric field have expanded greatly. So now you are ready for a productive day ahead. And of course, if you need to top it up, you can always top it up anytime you need. Another important reason why you should practice this technique is because it gives you a first-hand visceral experience of what I'm talking about, of you being something greater than just a mundane human being, of you experiencing your divinity and your power. So do it as often as you can, and it's going to help your identity shift into the person that you were actually born to be. And if you have any questions, or you feel that time is calling for you to start your hero's journey, reach out and let's talk.